Welcome to Bentley Dallas and the Avondale Premier Collection. Today we have one of Bentley's most exclusive builds, the Bentley Bacalar. Limited to just 12 builds, all bespoke by Mulliner, the oldest automotive coach builder in the world. It's inspired by the EXP 100 GT, Bentley's centenary concept car. Equipped with a twin-turbocharged 6-liter Bentley W12 engine, producing 650 horsepower and a 0 to 60 in just 3.5 seconds. The Bentley B and taillights are given the illusion of floating. The wraparound cockpit design blends the interior and exterior together. With no roof at all, it's a genuine barchetta, a name given to roofless cars in the early 20th century, based on the Italian phrase for little boat.